Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today we've got a couple of new voice recording products. So these are the new Awaretech brand of voice recorders. This one here is the MQ78. It's a very slim pen with a 1GB memory storage and voice activated recording. So quite a discreet little unit. It doesn't give you a lot of runtime unfortunately, but let's go ahead, get into the box and I'll show you a little bit about it. So you have 5 different steps you can choose for the voice recording. It will last for about 20 hours of continuous recording. So you've probably got about 2 days of actual recording that you can do before the standby time and the record time creep up on each other and you'll run out of battery. So it comes in this lovely little box, quite nice. Reminds me of the old cassettes from back in the day, if you will. Quite a detailed little instruction book that comes with it. You get your handy dandy USB cable with a little 3.5mm jack on it because that's how it communicates. You get a pretty cool set of remote with it. There's the headphones for it, so you can listen to the unit directly. You also get a couple of teeny tiny little ink refills. Handy to keep up the facade. And then we have the pen, so there it is. Quite a nice, neat little black pen. Twist it and a little pen tip comes out, just like that. On the end of it here, you have your 3.5mm jack, and to start and stop recording, we just slide down the little clip. So if we slide down the little clip, that starts recording, slide up the clip, that stops recording. So pretty easy to get it all set up and running. We're going to do some tests with these, so join us in the showroom and we'll show you what it can do.